You finally upload your video, you write a perfect call to action, you paste your link in the description box, hit publish, and then, well, no clicks, no traffic, nothing. You check the link and realize it's not even clickable. And a lot of people run into this. So today I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons your links might not be working on YouTube and exactly how to fix them. Because if you're trying to grow an email list or sell a product or send viewers to your website, this really matters. A broken link doesn't just mean lost traffic, it means missed opportunity. Let's fix that. First, let's talk about why link problems are so common, especially for new YouTubers. Most of us assume that if we just paste a link in the description box, it'll work. But YouTube has changed a lot in the past couple of years, and there are very specific rules that determine when and where your links will work on the platform. And if you don't know those rules, you might be uploading videos every week and wondering why no one is signing up or buying or clicking anything. And that can be incredibly discouraging. I've been there. I've also spent way too much time trying to figure out why some of my links worked and others didn't. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 4 reasons your links might not be working, especially if you're a small or new creator, and exactly what to do instead to make sure things do work. Let's start with the number 1 reason your links aren't clickable in the description box, and that is your channel isn't fully verified. YouTube gives you limited functionality until you complete some basic setup steps. So if your channel is new, you need to do these things in order to enable custom thumbnails, longer videos, and yes, active external links. So to fix this, go to youtube.com/verify, and you'll need to enter your phone number and verify it with a text or a voice call. Once your account is verified, you'll unlock these features and your links should start working properly in your video descriptions. And it's quick, it takes less than 2 minutes, but many new creators skip it without realizing just how important it is. And I know that for my generation especially, a lot of us don't want to be giving out personal information like phone numbers, but there's just no way around it if you want to make the most of your YouTube channel. So before you do anything else, make sure your account is fully verified. This next one surprises a lot of people. You can't use clickable links in YouTube Shorts descriptions anymore. Now, this used to work, so if you're watching some older videos that recommend adding links to your YouTube Shorts, well, they're just out of date. In, I think, August or so of 2023, YouTube removed support for external links in Shorts descriptions, and that was basically to combat spam and misleading content. It was becoming a problem. So that means if you're creating Shorts and adding links to your description, your viewers can see the link, but they can't click it. So what do you do instead? Well, here's a workaround. You can use a link in bio tool like Pillar and put that link on your channel page. And then tell viewers in the short to go to your Pillar store on the channel page, on your channel page, for the link that you're promoting. It is a little bit of a bottleneck, it's not perfect, but for now, it's your best option. And I can actually get you 20% off your own Pillar store, so I'll drop that link in the description box for you. Okay, now let's talk about another place where links used to work, but they don't anymore. And that's YouTube playlists. If you've been trying to add links to your playlist descriptions, maybe to promote a freebie or link to a related playlist, you might have noticed the same thing. They're not clickable. And that's because YouTube disabled clickable links in playlist descriptions, I think a little bit before when they did it in Shorts. It might have been in 2022 even. Why? for the same reasons, mainly to reduce spam and low quality redirects. So even if your link is formatted correctly, it won't be active in a playlist description. So here's what you need to do instead. Mention your link inside the videos within the playlist and add it to the video description of each video. And then let your viewers know in the video to check the description box. And you're going to want to do that anyway for viewers who land on your videos from other sources outside of your playlists, just like I did with the pillar offer I mentioned a minute ago. Now, another really common mistake is that you're not typing the complete URL in the description box. So let's say you write mysite.com or mysite.com/free stuff. YouTube doesn't recognize that as a valid link, so it won't turn it into a clickable hyperlink. The correct format is https://www.mysite.com. The https:// that part is essential. Without it, your links just look like plain text and people can't click it. So double check every link you post in your descriptions and make sure they all begin with https://. And if you're copying from a document or a note app or someplace else, just be careful because sometimes formatting gets stripped. Always test your links too by clicking them yourself once your video is live. And here's a bonus tip. If you're using link shorteners like bit.ly or tinyurl, just be cautious with those because YouTube tends to flag shortened links more often, especially if they're brand new or rarely used. They might get flagged as suspicious or they might even get blocked entirely. Honestly, just use direct links to your website or your pillar store or your email list landing page. Viewers know that creators are selling products and services as part of their efforts to earn a living. So just be transparent. That builds more trust and avoids the spam filters. Let me tell you what I do. Every link in my description boxes start with https:// and I test them every time I publish a new video. If I'm promoting something in a short, I refer to my pillar store, although I don't really use shorts right now, and that's a topic for another video. And I always use the full YouTube Studio, not the mobile app, when I'm uploading and scheduling my videos, and that way I can just have easier control over everything. These small habits save me a ton of frustration, and they make sure that when I invite someone to download my free over 40 YouTube starter pack, for example, or check out my $7 Your First 5 Videos content plan, or join my member community, the links actually work. Because when links don't work, viewers don't wait. They just move on. And you lose that chance to connect, you lose that chance to grow and to serve your audience. So take a few minutes, double check your links, and make sure that everyone is set up properly. If this video helped you figure out what was going wrong with your links, do me a favor and give it a like so it reaches more creators like you and helps them solve their challenges. And drop a comment below. Have you ever uploaded a video and realized the link wasn't working? And then what did you do to troubleshoot? I'd love to know how you fixed it or if you're still trying to figure it out. And hey, if you're over 40 and trying to grow a YouTube channel and you're new at this whole thing, I've got something that might help, and that is that over 40 YouTube starter pack. That link is in the description box, and I will make sure that it's working. It'll help you set up your channel the right way and start strong on YouTube so you don't waste time guessing at a bunch of stuff. And when you grab that, you'll also see an offer for my $7 download called Your First 5 Videos. And it includes a 14-day trial, a free trial, to my private YouTube membership community. This is where I'm starting to work closely with other over 40 creators to help them grow with strategy and with confidence and with a group of like-minded people who have the same kinds of goals. So check that out and make sure your links are working because you've got something worth sharing and you deserve to be heard. Thanks for watching. Check out these helpful videos next, and I'll see you there.